Hi, in this tutorial I continue with the rest of the options of the Align and Distribute tool, and the first one here, Remove Overlaps, will allow us to prevent the objects that we are aligning from overlapping, or we can set the minimum horizontal or vertical gap between objects, and this can be a negative number, so we can make them overlap but just a little bit. And if I select these -2 pixels here, select these three objects, align them like this, and then just click on this option, and you see now that they overlap only with 2 pixels, and this made these objects align only on the horizontal axis and not the vertical, because this will make them overlap, and we use this option here. Now let's undo that, and I can set this number to, let's say, 2, positive number, again align them like this, and then click here, and you see now we have a gap of 2 pixels between objects. And if the number is just 0, the objects will be exactly next to each other. So you can use this option in combination with these options to achieve your desired aligning. Now this one here I'll talk about when we discuss the connector tool. For now I'll not talk about it, but when we cover this tool I'll discuss this option too. Now let's move on and select this tool, Edit Path by Nodes. Click here, and you see now we can align and distribute also nodes. The first option here will allow us to align selected nodes to a common horizontal line. So if I select all these, click here, you see the effect. Now I'm going to undo that. This one here will allow us to distribute selected nodes horizontally. So this means that, let's move them like this a little bit. If I select these 3 nodes and click on this option, now the distance between this and this one and the distance between this and this one is equal. Now this one here will align the selected nodes to a common vertical line. So if I select all these, click here, you see how this works. And again, this other option here will allow us to distribute the selected nodes vertically. So if I click here, now the distances between this and this and this and this is equal. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that it was useful. Like the video, subscribe. Bye.